उधर कर्नाटक सीएम बसवराज बोम्मई की क़यादत में इंतखाब लड़ने वाले मरकजी वजीर दाखिला के बयान पर सियासत जारी है। रियासत पहुंचे मरकजी वजीर प्रहलाद जोशी भी इस बयान के हक में खड़े नजर आए। उन्होंने कहा कि इसमें हैरानी जैसी कोई बात नहीं है, जो भी सीएम होता है आने वाला इंतखाब उसी की क़यादत में लड़ा जाता है। याद रहे कि 2 रोज पहले अमित शाह ने कर्नाटक सीएम की जमकर तारीफ की थी। इस दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि आने वाले असेंबली इंतखाब बसवराज की क़यादत में लड़े जाएंगे और बीजेपी को शानदार कामयाबी भी मिलेगी, क्योंकि लोग उनके काम और अंदाज को पसंद कर रहे हैं।
Amit Shah ji, one of the important leader, topmost leader, Shri Amit Shah ji has told there is nothing to be debated. I don't think it needs to be debated because Shri Basavaraj Bommai is the chief minister now, and he will be chief minister till the elections. Means till the end of this term. So naturally we have to fight election under his leadership. I don't find anything wrong in that. And within a month also he has also done good work. His beginning is good. Well begun is half done. So Amit Shah ji, what he has told, it is I think there is no need to debate on that.
Some senior leaders have expressed their disappointments regarding this.
I don't think anybody has expressed, and in BJP, if at all anything has to be expressed, it is within the forum, within the four walls they have to express. I don't think any senior leader has expressed it like that. And all the senior leaders, may it be Shri Yediyurappa ji, may it be Shri Shettar ji, we will take BJP Karnataka per se, and as a personally myself also, and even Chief Minister, we want to take their advice, guidance, everything, and we will go